ladies and gentlemen, give it in the country.
The monetization exercise is also going to be available on M-Pesa. I think many people have been wondering, how do we do this? Because not many of our content creators have credit cards or other instruments, financial in nature. But I was very happy to hear that the team from Meta have already carried out experiments and that it works. And therefore, in the next few weeks and months, it will now be possible for our content creators to transact using the M-Pesa platform, which is a much more easy, accessible, and a space where many Kenyans interact much more freely and much more comfortably. So again, that is one step that would make it much more easier for our content creators across Kenya and many people participating in this space.
Technology doesn't stand still. The internet is not a static thing. We are on the cusp of a complete transformation in the way in which we will interact with each other and access the online world as these new generative AI tools become much, much more prevalent in our everyday lives. And we are very keen at Meta to work in partnership with this great country and, of course, others around the world as we navigate those huge changes.
Happy that you're also keen, and then I want to commend Meta Group alongside all the other players for being keen on safety and making sure that we have the right content and we do not have content that can be abused in that space. Again, we're going to work with you. The government of Kenya is going to deploy whatever resources we have to work with you to make sure that that space is secure and we minimize content that is undesirable.
Nao harimi marakiria kuma kaunti-ini ya